Challenge is immense. A record-breaking heat wave has been scorching China since June, drying up riverbeds, threatening crops and livestock, triggering wildfires, and shutting down factories. And it could also jeopardize China's carbon commitments. China is the world's biggest carbon emitter, and earlier this year, Chinese President Xi Jinping pledged to strictly control coal-fired power projects and limit the increase in coal consumption. The goal? To strive to reach peak CO2 emissions by 2030 and carbon neutrality by 2060. But while China has also been racing ahead in the acquisition of renewable energy sources like solar and hydropower, it is still beefing up its coal power production to keep up with demand. And the extreme heat has clipped some of the momentum. Across Sichuan province, home to 84 million people, drought has cut its hydropower capacity by half. Some 80% of the province's electricity comes from hydropower. To make up the shortfall, Sichuan has been running its largest coal-fired plant non-stop and temporarily closing factories to save power. So will the energy fallout from the heat wave make it harder for China to decarbonize?
I think there's good evidence that that's true, and members of the Politburo have actually been advocating this and saying that they have to go back to coal because it's more reliable. So the chances of them doubling down on the supply of coal-fired power stations is going to be increasingly high, I think, in the future.
China's top scientists have warned that the country is particularly vulnerable to climate change, with its temperatures rising faster than the global average. According to Yuan Jiashuang, quote, in the future, the increase in regional average temperatures in China will be significantly higher than the world, unquote. As China feels the devastating effects of climate change, plans for international cooperation to tackle the threat have been upended. In response to U.S. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi's controversial trip to Taiwan, China cut off climate talks with the U.S.
China represents 27% of all global emissions. The United States, 11%. We're the two largest carbon emitters. It's vital for the rest of the world that the United States and China continue to talk on climate change.
In the long term, unless we find ways of cooperating internationally, no country on earth, not even the most powerful and most populous country on earth, can solve this problem on their own.
Kristie Lu Stout, CNN, Hong Kong.